Hi guys and welcome to today's video. Today's video, I wanted it to be very special because I turned 29 this week, which is so weird, it's so crazy, like how am I actually 29? It's insane. तो मैंने बहुत आइडिया सोचे कि मैं कोई लाइफ लेसन्स पे वीडियो बनाती हूँ and I was like I've killed like 4 plants this year, so maybe not. Then I thought I will make a video on just the year that I've had, but I have had a difficult year. So then I thought, that video will be very depressing and probably I will cry like 4 times in the video. So I don't want to make that either. So finally, I have decided to just give you guys my unfiltered opinions on popular TV shows and also recommend some of my favorite shows for you guys, which some of them are very underrated as well. And we have to start with Parizad. And I will say this, Ahmed Ali Akbar, matlab kya acting hai, theek hai? I've like amazing acting, but I cannot get over the fact that they straight up took a fair guy और उस पे चेरी ब्लॉसम मल के उसको डार्क किया है. I mean, it's really like I want to look past it, but it's so obvious that that there's blackface on this guy that it just I cannot. So guys, I really मतलब मैंने बहुत कोशिश की है मल्टीपल टाइम्स कि मैं परिजात देखूं बिकॉज एक्टिंग बहुत अच्छी है, पर मुझसे नहीं देखा जा रहा. एंड I can't say it on social media because then people attack you like, how dare you not like Parizat? I like the show. I have a big problem with the blackface. I know it's not a big deal in our culture. I just can't look past it. I am sorry. And that brings us. Oh, by the way, the plan was for me to eat and talk because in my last video, someone was like, oh, you look down a lot between points, and the reason is because my videos are super scripted, because if I don't have a script, I will jump from one thing to the other and like the videos will not make any sense. So I'm going to tell you guys what I'm eating. This looks like pasta, but it's actually not. I mean, it is, but ये chickpea pasta है, so it does not taste like pasta. It tastes like chane, which shape like pasta to like fool you into thinking you're eating pasta, but really you're not. And then this is my favorite thing in the world, chana chaat. I made a big bowl on Saturday, and 4 दिन से like whenever I feel like it, I take some out. I think at some point it's unhygienic to do that, but it's okay. That's another thing I really believe, that expiry dates, especially यहाँ पे, are बकवास. Like प्याज पे एक्सपायरी, मतलब प्याज तो एक्सपायर नहीं होता, एंड देन दे विल हैव लाइक टमाटर पे एक्सपायरी डेट, बट देन आई नोटिस कि उसके हफ्ता डेट बाद भी टमाटर ठीक होते हैं. लाइक एवरीथिंग हैज़ एन एक्सपायरी डेट. आई मीन, चावल पे क्यों है एक्सपायरी डेट? और अगर है भी, आई एम गोना टेक इट एज अ सजेशन, बट इग्नोर इट एंड मूव ऑन. एनीवे, also guys, I am really sorry. I tried hard with हम कहाँ के सच्चे थे, but it is rubbish, like absolute rubbish. The funniest thing is people were like, oh, don't judge it so hard, इसकी story ना बड़ी unique है. And I was like, दुनिया मतलब स्क्विड गेम बना रही है, और हमारी यूनिक में भी ये है कि 3 कजन्स हैं और एक को एक से मोहब्बत और एक को एक से मोहब्बत, और बस ये यूनिक है कि खुदकुशी कर ली उसने. आई मीन guys, I hate to break it to you, but that's not as radical as some people are making it out to be. And if you think about it, nothing in that show makes sense, ठीक है? This guy lives abroad, उसको कोई नहीं मिला इतने साल में, गुड लुकिंग गाय, वापस आते हैं, मतलब उसे अपने शहर पूरे में भी कोई नहीं मिला और अपनी ही कज़न से मोहब्बत. एंड देन ऑल्सो हिज प्रॉब्लम विद महरीन और माहीन, व्हाटएवर हर नेम इज, जस्ट सो स्टूपिड बिकॉज there's no conflict there actually. उसका मसला बस ये है कि उसकी दूसरी कज़न को पसंद नहीं है तो मुझे भी पसंद नहीं है. Like, what kind of conflict is that? That's so stupid. And then I know the whole theme is supposed to be like उन दोनों कज़न में competition था तो उनको एक दूसरे से नफरत होगी, which is fine, but उसको इतनी नफरत हुई कि वो एक पागल चुड़ैल बन गई. Like, that is very unrealistic. Come on, like lots of cousins hate each other's guts, which is fine, but no one goes around like sabotaging each other's life. क्या उसका प्यार चुरा लो क्योंकि मुझे इतनी नफरत है. I mean, come on, this only happens on Hum TV. It's ridiculous. But on a positive note, let me recommend a good drama trio, something that I really enjoy. It's called Besharam. It stars Sabaa Kamar and Zahid Ahmed. It's pretty old, like 4 or 5 years old, but they have all the episodes on YouTube, and there you can really see the conflict. You can see कि इन दोनों को एक दूसरे से मसला है, but there's a reason for that problem, and it makes sense. It's a very rational conflict because they're two very different people from very different worlds, और उनकी value systems बहुत different हैं. और फिर वो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रिजॉल्व भी जब होता है तो आपको नज़र आ रहा होता है. ऐसे नहीं होता कि कल हमें नफरत थी और आज हमें मोहब्बत हो गई है, एंड देयर इज नो बैक स्टोरी देयर. एंड देन एक्टिंग इज सो सटल. यू व्हेन यू आर वाचिंग अ सीन यू एक्चुअली फील लाइक ये हो रहा है. वेयर जब मेहरीन भाम भाम करके रो रही है, आई मीन I cry a lot. I cry a lot and I ugly cry a lot, but I don't cry. No one cries like that. Oh god, I love Mahira Khan. I love Usman Mukhtar, but what the hell is that show? It is absolute rubbish. You know what I'm excited about is कि एक उड़ती उड़ती अफवाह चल रही है कि जिंदगी, is that what it's called? Z5 पे फवाद खान, I was going to say फवाद चौधरी and Sanam Said का कोई वेब सीरीज आ रही है, which is so exciting because I love them both. And I also have another confession, I never saw Chudels. I made an account, downloaded the app just never worked. मतलब 5-6 दफ़ा ट्राई किया, कभी वो Z5 की ऐप चली ही नहीं मेरे फ़ोन पे. टीवी पे लगाया, वहाँ पे भी नहीं चली. So I don't know what that was about, but if this web series is actually happening, that would be amazing. Because I truly believe like our country has so much talent. If you haven't seen Prince Charming on YouTube, I think it's 8 or 10 minutes long. It is so good. Like, actually I just realized it also has Mahira Khan and Zahid Ahmed, I think. Both amazing actors. मतलब उसका एक एक सीन आपको नज़र आ रहा होता है कि इसमें इतनी थॉट गई है और इतने इंटेलिजेंट लोगों ने इस शॉर्ट फिल्म पे काम किया है. एंड अनदर शो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड अबाउट इज इश्क़-ए लव. I don't know when it comes out. And I know there will be those 3 people who say कि अगर आपको अच्छा कंटेंट देखना है आप के ड्रामा देख लें. गाइज नहीं हो पाता मेरे से. आई मीन अगर मुझे कोई फॉरेन लैंग्वेज चीज़ देखनी होगी तो मैं जर्मन शोज देख लूँगी. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज everyone I meet here I speak English with, and then like a little bit of German, and when I'm home and I'm being entertained, मुझे उर्दू सुननी है. So the problem isn't कि दुनिया में ऑप्शन नहीं है. The problem is just that I want to be entertained in Urdu, and the max I will do is watch like an Indian thing because at least there's no translation required. But I'm not gonna watch another language and then translate. और इंडियन वेब सीरीज का ये है कि वो एक सीजन बनाते हैं उसके बाद मर जाते हैं. मतलब मेड इन हेवन का अगला सीजन, I don't know, do they even have another season? I hope they do because it's such a good series, but I'm like waiting for it since forever and it's not coming out. And I know this is not a personal attack on me, but I really like that show and I want a second season, no, third season, whatever. I want another season of that. So anyway, that has been my take on some popular TV shows. I've also been thinking about something else which is a little more serious, which is that you know how you think at a certain point in life you will have done certain things, and when you're 23 types-ish you think okay maybe by 30 I'll do these things, and now उसमें से इतनी चीज़ें हैं which I am nowhere even close to doing, और इतनी चीज़ें हैं that I have no interest in doing anymore. And it's such a weird place in life to be in because you feel like your own timeline that you've made for yourself, you're kind of failing it. But I think it's important to just remember that this is your own unique journey, and just because people are doing certain things on a certain timeline, I mean guys, come on, I would have never thought I would be sitting here making videos talking rubbish on YouTube, but here I am and here you are. Anyway, on that note, I'm going to go finish my lunch because clearly I can't do eating and talking at the same time. When I talk, I get so jazbati that I just talk. Oh my god, jazbaat se yaad aaya. I'm really sad about Aryan Khan's drug bust. I mean, I don't know, he's a kid, like, I'm not saying everyone should go do drugs. I'm just saying he's a kid, like he's what, 23-ish, and people make dumb decisions all the time. But then to have the media pressure and like everyone knowing about it, and whenever his name comes up, like people will remember it. It's really sad for him. The reason I'm eating all this is because मैंने fridge साफ करना है because it does hurt, and so I just thought, let's just finish all the food in the fridge, like let's just eat it, and then finally I can clean the fridge, because I'm 29 and 29-year-olds should have clean fridges, and mine is not very clean. So yeah, this is what happens when I don't have a script and I'm allowed to say whatever the hell I want. Then I say whatever the hell I want and the video makes no sense. But just thank you for watching my videos for these past 6 months. इस चैनल के पीछे एक्चुअली कोई इंटेंशन नहीं थी किसी भी तरह की चीज़ करने की. The reason this channel got formed was because my grandmother passed away, and I was isolating, so I couldn't, say goodbye, go to the funeral, any of those things. And I was sitting in my room, just having a pity party for one. Oh, you know how sometimes when a tragedy happens and you make it all about yourself. So I was like, oh, I am the victim in this scenario because I can't go to the funeral, which is a very like unhealthy way to, I suppose, to look at it, but that's kind of where I was at. तो एक दिन गुजरा, दूसरा दिन गुजरा, और इसी तरह कभी दीवार को देख रही हूँ, कभी फोन स्क्रॉल अप डाउन, एंड देन फाइनली आई वाज लाइक आई नीड टू डू समथिंग जहाँ पे मेरा दिमाग बिजी हो. एंड आई वाज लाइक लेट्स मेक अ यूट्यूब वीडियो, लाइक लगा देते हैं, किसी ने देख ली तो फिट है, नहीं देखी तो कुछ नहीं होता, मतलब मेरी कौन सी बड़ी इज्जत है कि बेइज्जती हो जानी है, इट्स फाइन. सो आई पुट दैट वीडियो अप, एंड देन so many people started messaging me and like saying we get so much strength or inspiration from your videos, and guys, like, it's crazy. So thank you so much to everyone who comments every time, who watches the videos every time, people who share the videos. It really means so much, and thank you for being on this journey with me. Really, I know it's like so cheesy to say, okay, oh, this means so much to me, but it truly does, because if you think about it, like, I just sit and make videos, and then people message me the kindest things, and they say this, the sweetest things, they send so much love, and you're like, yeah, maine to video banayi hai. I mean, what have I done to deserve it? But honestly, it really means a lot. Now I really need to finish my food, so I'm gonna talk to you guys in next week's video. Bye.